Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hola, ¿cómo está? Good evening. This is Icon Info from New York, Long Island. Today I'm going to cook potato beans. Very simple and delicious and very nutritious uh, sabzi, vegetables. And the first thing we're gonna do is we, as you can see, on medium um, flame. I'm putting some oil in this pan, and what I will do is, today is my only second, third video, so please forgive me if I make any mistakes. Um, this is cumin. Most of the vegetables and any cook Indian or Pakistani or um, good cooking includes cumin. You can find it in Indian store or Pakistani stores. And just put some first. Make sure it's a little hot, and just put like 2 spoons. Saute it. Make sure to use uh, this thing, wooden thing. Otherwise, it's gonna make scratches in your big cheese. So now, as you're doing, saute it uh, just a little bit brown, not too much. And if you want, you can add some ghee also, which I had in this pan. I was cooking my eggs this morning, so I had some leftover. It basically gives you a good flavor. And let me bring this camera a little closer, and I have to work out also. My tummy is coming out. Um, so this is the first thing, you put the cumins. Now the second thing, I already chopped the onion. Saute it a little bit. Let's turn on the fan. And with the onion, saute it. Just do it till it becomes a little bit brownish and soft. Let's put this away. This is done. Put a little bit more oil if you need it. Finish. So let me show you how it looks like. Almost done. And after that, I have some chopped garlic and a little bit ginger. Chopped it, put it in, saute it. Gonna be delicious. Actually, to tell you the truth, there's a girl on internet. Her name is Bano. I just watched her video and I'm actually copying her. So, that's it. Next thing you know, you want to have your main ingredient, which is I grew it in my own garden. This is beans, but these beans are very expensive beans. These beans called tiger beans. They're long, they have a lot of meat, but yet they are very soft and nutritious. So make sure to cut them in small pieces as per Barno. The smaller the pieces, the better it is. But some people like longer, so you can cut longer also. So you just okay, mix it together. I think I put a little less oil, but it should be okay. I'm not a oil person, you know. I don't like too much oil. Okay, so now next thing, keep it like this. Just make sure इसको अच्छे से हिलाते रहे और उसके बाद and then what you do is, well, I also like to have some crispy, crunchy taste in my vegetables. So I'm gonna add the tomatoes in very, very last phase. So right now we have all these. Now one by one I'm gonna show you what I'm going to add. Half a spoon of turmeric, haldi. Like about this much. Okay. And as per your taste, chili powder, you add it. I'm gonna add just half a spoon. I think Miss Bano liked more hot food, so she added 1 spoon, but I'm gonna add just half a spoon. Okay. Now, what I will do is I'm gonna add coriander powder. About 1 spoon. Okay. So how many things we added? 3 spices. We Indian like to have spices in our food, you know. And the next thing you have this amchur. It's basically a mango powder. You put like just 1 spoon is enough, and just mix them together. Wow, already smells so good. I didn't eat any breakfast today, so I will enjoy it. Okay, so now let me show you how it looks. Pretty good, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're going to cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5-7 minutes. No, actually, I'm sorry, I forgot my potatoes. So let's add the potatoes. I chopped them already with the peppers, green peppers, 1.5, and I added okay. All right. Make sure you mix them together nicely so the flavors distribute. And इसको अच्छी तरह से हिला लीजिए। साथ में जब ये हो जाए, I think more than 5-7 minutes because I have a lot more than Miss Bano. So I'll just cover it and I'll let it cook. Meantime, I'm gonna just pause this. And then after that, what you do is, in last phase, after 7 minutes, let me just finish this video because I don't want to prolong it. So what you do is, after your 5-7 minutes later, add your tomatoes, mix it, and let it on the stove for another let's say 2 more minutes, but also try to cook it with patience, so this way you'll enjoy it more. And normally I eat it with chapati, paratha, or bread, or you could serve it with rice also if you want. So I have rice in refrigerator and chapati as well, so I'll try both a little bit to see which one tastes more. Enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe it and push the like button. And I want to have more subscribers, not like Miss Bano, who already had 26,000 subscribers. I don't know how she did that, but I'll try. Maybe I'll get some subscribers. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.